Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something special for you. A lineup of 16 cool tools that will make your work easier and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these tools are sure to level up your game. So let's dive right in. Number 1. The Adjustable Angle Magnetic Welding Square is a versatile and essential tool for any welding project, priced at $21.31. Its innovative design includes inside and outside magnets, an angle setting pin, and a magnetic pull force of 33 pounds, ensuring a secure hold for various materials. This 6-inch welding square is perfect for holding and positioning sheet metal, round pipes, square, angled, or flat stock. What sets it apart is the capability to work with inside and outside angles, thanks to 2 independent magnets that maintain consistent magnetic force. The mounting holes allow you to link 2 magnets together, turning them into effective fixturing elements for added convenience. The hex hole on the magnet provides breakaway leverage, adding to the tool's functionality. With an adjustable angle range from 30 degrees to 270 degrees, this welding square offers precision and adaptability for a variety of welding applications. Whether you're a professional welder or a DIY enthusiast, the Adjustable Angle Magnetic Welding Square is a reliable and efficient tool that ensures accuracy and stability in your projects. Number 2. The Boxer PRT 21M Dual Head Metric Socket Set, priced at $19.99, is a versatile and cost-effective toolkit with 21 pieces, including an ergonomic ratchet screwdriver, 2 extension adapters, and 18 sockets in various sizes. Constructed from chrome vanadium steel, these tools exhibit exceptional strength, durability, and corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity and reliability. The dual-function 2-in-1 ratchet driver, with a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch ends and 72 gears, provides high torque and easy ratcheting for efficient bolt tightening and loosening. The ergonomic ratchet handle, featuring a rubber-coated grip, enhances user comfort during applications. Housed in a compact, patented hard cling-tight case, this set passes the upside-down test, ensuring secure organization without rattling or pieces becoming loose. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts, the Boxer PRT 21M offers unmatched value and efficiency in a well-designed and portable package. Number 3. The Eradine Arsenal 5710 Bucket Truck Toolboard Apron, priced at $160.99, stands out as a comprehensive solution for storage, organization, and tethering needs in aerial work environments. Specifically designed for aerial buckets and elevated work platforms, it maximizes space in compact areas by securely hanging from bucket hooks or affixing to railings. The inclusion of multiple grommets and 3 straps ensures a stable and space-efficient storage solution. Setting it apart from traditional lineman toolboards, this apron features easily accessible drop-tested D-rings for secure tool tethering, preventing potentially hazardous dropped objects. Crafted from water-resistant tarpaulin, the apron ensures durability in various conditions, and its detachable roll-up rain cover protects tools from harsh weather. The padded nylon carrying handle facilitates easy transportation to and from job sites, making the Eradine Arsenal 5710 an indispensable tool for professionals prioritizing safety, organization, and convenience.
Number 4. The Portable New Type Manual Tile Cutter, priced at $239.89, introduces a new standard of cutting efficiency and accuracy for tile work. Outperforming traditional tile cutters, its enhanced portability makes it a must-have for all tile cutting needs. Versatility is a standout feature, capable of handling tiles up to 116 inches in length, ideal for diverse tiling projects, from intricate backsplashes to expansive flooring installations. The portable design is a game-changer, featuring a high-quality one-piece bag for easy transportation. Its lightweight and compact construction ensure hassle-free movement between job sites, adding unmatched convenience to your workflow. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy materials, this tile cutter guarantees longevity and resilience under frequent use. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, the Portable New Type Manual Tile Cutter is a reliable companion, combining precision, portability, and durability at a price of $239.89.
Number 5. The Klein Tools Reversible Ratcheting Box Wrench Set, priced at $90.99, is a 5-piece ensemble housed in a durable heavy plastic roll-up pouch. Offering convenience and organization, the pouch features 2 grommet holes for easy hanging in your workspace. The set's standout feature is its offset reversible design, with both ends angled at 25 degrees, enhancing usability in tight spaces and on long studs. Each end boasts a different size, adding versatility to your toolkit. Constructed with a laminated design, these wrenches deliver exceptional strength, ensuring durability for prolonged use. The innovative reverse ratcheting action simplifies tasks by allowing you to turn the wrench over, increasing efficiency. The chrome-plated finish not only provides a sleek look but also enhances rust resistance, making the Klein Tools reversible ratcheting box wrench set a reliable and durable addition to any toolbox at the price of $90.99. Number 6. The Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner Attachment, priced at $45.99, is a game-changer for anyone seeking efficient and versatile cleaning for their pressure washer. Designed for machines with a working pressure range of 1,500 psi to 4,000 psi, it performs optimally at 2,500 psi or higher, ensuring thorough and effective cleaning. This attachment includes a 16-inch 2-in-1 pressure washer undercarriage cleaner, a 15-inch 90-degree angled wand, and 2 16-inch pressure washer extension wands. All parts feature a 1/4-inch quick connect for easy assembly. With 5 nozzle models adaptable to various scenarios, this attachment provides flexibility for different cleaning needs. Switching between modes is a breeze. Simply pull out the nut of the pivoting coupler at the end of the cleaner, rotate the pivoting coupler to the desired mode, and the nut will lock automatically. In undercarriage cleaner mode, it effortlessly removes road dirt, oil, and fuel contamination under vehicles without the need to crawl beneath. Switching to water broom mode, it swiftly cleans surfaces like sidewalks, driveways, and decks, making it ideal for removing loose debris. The Pressure Washer Surface Cleaner Attachment is a reliable and affordable addition to your cleaning toolkit, offering both convenience and effectiveness at a price of $45.99. Number 7. The ABIGA Upgraded Adjustable Universal Socket Wrench, priced at $8.96, redefines versatility in socket wrenches. Its adjustable design effortlessly handles high torques, securely gripping any nuts and bolts within its adjustable size range. Ideal for various applications, it excels in gripping and removing damaged, rounded off, and rusty nuts and bolts, making it a valuable tool for automotive, household maintenance, manufacturing, and construction tasks. Replacing over 30 sockets, ranging from 3/8 inch to 3/4 inch and 10 to 19 millimeters, this set offers wide adjustability. The one-handed operation streamlines tasks, saving time and money by eliminating the need for multiple tools. Compact and affordable, the ABIGA Upgraded Socket Wrench is a space-saving and cost-effective addition to any toolkit. Number 8. The Global Universal Implant Screwdrivers Repair Toolkit, priced at $129.99, is a comprehensive and reliable set for dental professionals. With universal wrenches ranging from 10 to 70 NCM, the kit includes 8 short and 8 long shanks, ensuring adaptability to various implant types. The adjustable torque wrench, with a range of 10 to 70 NCM, provides precise control for implant procedures. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, the drivers guarantee durability and hygiene. The short drivers measure 8.5 millimeters, while the long drivers extend to 13.5 millimeters, accommodating different clinical scenarios. This kit not only meets the demanding requirements of dental practice but also ensures consistent and reliable performance. Priced at $129.99, the Global Universal Implant Screwdrivers Repair Toolkit is an indispensable resource for dental professionals seeking precision and quality in implantology. Number 9. The iCrimp Stainless Steel Cable Tie Tool, priced at $28.79, is a durable and innovative solution for cable management. With rust-proof treatment and wear resistance, the cutting blade boasts a hardness of HRC 55, while the tension holder is designed with a hardness of HRC 60, ensuring longevity and reliable performance. The ergonomic cutter handle allows for one-hand operation, making it easy and smooth to use. The adjustable tension feature accommodates stainless steel cable ties with up to 12 millimeters in width and 0.3 millimeters in thickness. The Smart Extraction tool releases cable ties in seconds, enhancing efficiency in cable management tasks. Lightweight and portable, This tool is convenient for both outdoor and indoor use. Priced at $28.79, the iCrimp Cable Tie Tool is a reliable, user-friendly addition to any toolkit. Number 10. The WireGear Punch Set Elite Tool, priced at $36.79, is a comprehensive and durable kit that stands out in quality and functionality. The hammer, with a larger and heavier head, ensures easier and more effective striking. Its two detachable ends, paired with 4 interchangeable hammer heads, rubber, brass, steel, and nylon, provide versatility for various applications. The steel punches, treated for exceptional durability, are reinforced to avoid common breakage issues. The inclusion of high-quality pins prevents the need to discard the entire set due to a single pin fracture. The set includes a bench block with special surface treatment for scratch protection and a non-slip mat for inch diameter to enhance stability during use. With a range of steel and plastic punches, a pin alignment tool, and thoughtful bench block improvements, the WireGear Punch set is a reliable and user-friendly tool set for metalworking tasks. Priced affordably at $36.79. Number 11. The Pacific Handy Cutter S5 or Safety Cutter, priced at $6.69, is a reliable and safety-focused tool designed for precise cutting. With a sturdy metal protective guard, it guides the high-quality, sharp blade to ensure safe and accurate cuts, protecting both workers and valuable box contents. The uniquely structured steel guard sets it apart, offering stability without flexing, bending, or breaking, providing a consistent guide for perfect cuts every time. This cutter goes beyond standard functionality with an integrated fold-out film cutter in the ergonomically designed handle, suitable for safely cutting shrink wrap, plastic straps, twine, and more. The replaceable film cutter ensures longevity even after repeated use. For heavy-duty tasks, the metal bladeless tape splitter easily slices through reinforced fiber tape, preventing exposure to blades and enhancing safety while cutting tape. The multiple adjustable blade depth positions add versatility, accommodating reliable top cutting, shallow depth window cuts, tray cuts, and more. Priced affordably at $6.69, the Pacific Handy Cutter S5 is a must-have tool that prioritizes safety, precision, and efficiency for various cutting applications. Number 12. The ABN Flexible Socket Extension Cables, priced at $23.99, redefine accessibility and fastener removal. Loosening fasteners effortlessly at any angle, this 4-piece light-duty flexible extension socket wrench set makes tackling bolts and nuts in hard-to-reach areas a breeze. The flexible wound spring steel shaft bends up to 90 degrees, accommodating drill, wrench, and ratchet use in tight and awkward spaces. Featuring spring-loaded ball detents and indented sockets, the square flexible socket driver ensures a secure hold, preventing slipping during use. Crafted from drop-forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, these extensions offer maximum strength and longevity. The mirror chrome finish resists rust and corrosion, enhancing durability. Square drive radius corners reduce wear, increasing torque transfer from flexible ratchet extensions to sockets. Priced affordably at $23.99, the ABN Flexible Socket Extension Cables are a reliable and versatile addition to any toolkit.
Number 13. The Yini CR01 to 1/4 inch SDS plus 13 amp heavy-duty rotary hammer drill, priced at $108.79, is a powerhouse for heavy-duty concrete and metal work. Its 13 amp industrial motor with 5.5 feet per pounds, 7.4 joules, impact energy ensures precision and efficiency, while the heat-resistant copper wire motor allows extended use without overheating. Offering 4 functions: drill-only, hammer-only, hammer drill, and chisel position adjustment, it adapts seamlessly to diverse work scenarios. The double-function switch design enhances durability by 100%, ensuring long-term reliability. Safety features include a wrist-protecting clutch and a 360 degrees adjustable handle for comfort. The upgraded anti-vibration system minimizes fatigue, and the PU Soft Grip handle provides a secure hold. With a max drilling diameter of 1¼ inches for concrete and 1/2 inch for metal, this rotary hammer delivers powerful performance at an affordable price.
Number 14. The Welding Multi-Pulsa Pro, priced at $29.99, is a Japanese double-edge pull saw designed for precision and efficiency. The 12-inch 14 TPI general carpentry cutting edge, coupled with the unique 6.5-inch 22 TPI fine cut edge, offers versatility for various cutting needs. The quick release button facilitates easy blade replacement with minimal environmental waste. Crafted with high-quality Japanese pull saw steel and a narrow kerf, it delivers the cleanest cut with minimal effort, cutting on the pull stroke for faster and more precise results, achieving 0.6 mm accuracy. Ideal for laminate, melamine, PVC pipe, plywood, hardwoods, and more, its unique handle design enables easy reverse cutting and flush cutting in tight spaces. The ergonomic handle design features a super comfortable soft-touch grip and a deliberate thumb groove for maximum control and accuracy. Additionally, the built-in nail puller and tack hammer in the handle add versatility to this multifunctional tool. Priced affordably at $29.99, the Welding Multi-Pulsa Pro is a high-quality and versatile addition to any toolkit. Number 15. The Cumix Paddle Mixer, priced at $1,050.01, is a powerful and lightweight solution for small batch mixing jobs up to 24 gallons. With a 1.9 HP motor capable of turning from 0 to 470 RPM, this dual paddle XO55 or column mixer provides efficiency in mixing various materials. Weighing just 19.4 pounds, it's ultra portable for easy transport and handling on the job. The XO55R comes with a dual mixing paddle, specifically designed for use with Cumix MKD140HF, ensuring optimal performance. The mixer eliminates unnecessary effort, reducing worker fatigue and streamlining the mixing process. Designed for convenience and effectiveness, the Cumix Paddle Mixer at $1,050.01 is an investment in enhanced productivity for mixing tasks of various materials. Number 16. The LAOA Rapid Pipe Pliers, priced at $169.99, redefine efficiency in pipe wrenches with their industrial multifunctional design. Featuring a single finger push type opening and closing mechanism, adjusting the opening is a breeze, and one-handed operation is swift, even for left-handed users. The 14-inch and 18-inch handle openings cater to the size of rectangular switch valves in European and American home systems, offering versatility. Constructed from chromium vanadium steel CRV, these pliers are robust and wear-resistant, ensuring durability. The ratchet design facilitates fast and smooth operation, significantly saving time and effort. The three-sided tooth design provides stable clamping, making it suitable for various pipe shapes and challenging locking situations. The lightweight and portable aluminum alloy handle add to the convenience of this high-quality tool. Priced at $169.99, the LAOA Rapid Pipe Pliers are a reliable and efficient solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike.